Hey, I'm Kalam again here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a video using AI. Many purpose you need to video, like Facebook video, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and any other things you need a specific video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create those type of video using AI. It's absolutely free. This link I will let in the description below. Then click here, then you are redirected to this website. So I'm going to first chat GPT because I want to create a form using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the number one tools right now in the world. Then again go to the pictory.ai. Then I want to click here, just process. Just click here, then go paste my ChatGPT generate prompt. Just click here, then allow, then paste. Wow, you can see. Wow, this is really good and amazing. So I want to click just processed. Just click here, then you can see the magic of the tool. Wow, now I need to select a specific model type or template. So I want to select this real estate. So you can choose any one. I want to 60:9 ratio because I want to use the video for YouTube. Then I'm waiting few seconds because this is processing time. Then everyone need to wait. 1 or 2 minutes. This is enough for everything. Wow, you can see my video are pretty good and are ready for downloaded. Now I want to check my video here. Then background music. If I want to add a background music, here are lots of music available. So I want to check this one. Oh. So I want to use this one. Then voiceover. If I want to use AI voiceover artist, I need to upgrade this AI plan. So I don't need to upgrade this one. Then I have to change what I got it. So just play here. Preview. Just click here. Confirm. Yes. Then I'm again going to my project. Then you can see this is my project already created. Then if I want to download this video, just click download button. This is just click here for download it. Just click here download. Then my video for download processing. So if you want to more video about those type of chat video online, and please comment below. I will try to create a specific video only for you.